Time to Cook. I am Chef Christy, and today I want to show you how to make a very simple and quick broccoli and cauliflower salad. It only takes a few ingredients, but when you put them together, it is delicious, and I'm sure that you will enjoy it. But I want to show you how to do this step by step. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is make our dressing. And I have 1 cup of mayonnaise, and I'm using a really good quality that's organic mayonnaise. Now, I'm sure everyone has their own favorite, but I just suggest that you use a good quality mayonnaise. So, to 1 cup of mayonnaise, I have 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. And then, let me scrape out this mayonnaise out of my spoon here with my whisk. Okay, so then I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of honey. Now this is optional. You can use white sugar, but I just prefer natural sweeteners. If I can get away with natural sweeteners, I want to do that. So 1/4 a cup of honey, and this is all there is to the dressing. All you're going to do is mix this together, and then you're going to put some other ingredients together and pour it over your broccoli and cauliflower. So I'm going to mix this together. Just takes just a little bit. I might use a fork instead of this whisk. So I'm going to mix. Yeah, it's starting to come together now a little bit. Okay, I have 6 cups of broccoli and cauliflower, and that was about 3 big bunches or heads of broccoli and 1 of the cauliflower, and I've just chopped them up. And then I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of raisins. Now that's optional. If you would prefer to use dried cranberries, that goes really good. And then 1/4 of a cup of pecans, and this again is optional. You can use sunflower seeds, you can use pumpkin seeds, you can use walnuts, or you don't have to put any nuts at all. And then I've got 3 slices of bacon that I've crisped up and let it sit on a paper towel to drain. And I'm adding that. And then I want to show you what I'm going to do with the green onion. Okay, so I'm going to chop up my green onion. I'm going to cut the ends off, and I'm going to do something with those later. And then I'm just going to make small dice. Just go down along my onion. And this is what I have 4 green onions. You do not have to use this many. It's up to you how many you use. But I'm going to use all of this because I like the taste of the green onion. So I'm just going to do this and add it to my broccoli, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, so I added my green onion, and now all I'm going to do is pour this dressing right over my broccoli and cauliflower. And I'm just going to stir it, and then it's just about done. But I do want to see, if you still notice, I've got my green onion down here, so I want to show you something that I do with mine, a little trick. So all I'm going to do is stir this, and then I will show you what's next. Okay, my broccoli and cauliflower salad is ready, but I do want to show you what I'm going to do with these onions. This is the tips that I cut off, and I'm just going to take the roots, and I'm going to place them in a damp paper towel and roll them around. And I've got another paper towel that I'm going to roll around. And then I'm going to place this into a little glass that's got water in it. And I'm just going to set this in my windowsill, and within a week you'll start to see little shoots going up. And it's really kind of fun for kids because they can watch it grow. And then you can use this. In a couple weeks you'll be able to use them. Now I will say that I will cut them off and I'll use those, but I can't seem to grow them more than twice. They don't grow as well after the second time. But it is fun, and you can use it, and you can even plant them out in your garden or in your herb garden, or if you have that. But it is fun to watch them grow. So that is my little tip on the green onion. So now I want to taste this salad. Oh, this is delicious, and this you can take to many different kinds of parties or gathering, or maybe this you might want to just pack it in your lunch. put it in little boxes and eat on it for a couple days, but it is so, so good. So I'm gonna give this a try. So good. That dressing is tangy but sweet. And it is just delicious with that bacon and the nuts and the raisins. It is so good. And so I really hope that you try this recipe. And please consider subscribing, because I have so many recipes that I want to share and I don't want you to miss any of them. So have a great day. I enjoyed cooking for you today, so we'll see you next time. Okay, here is my green onion after 2 weeks.